Ladies and gentlemen, aviation enthusiasts, and tech aficionados, prepare to be amazed as we uncover the captivating story of the AI super drone Valkyrie Stealth, the best-kept secret of AI Kamikaze drones. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the cutting-edge world of aviation and reveal the wonders of advanced technology. Today we delve into the extraordinary tale of the Kratos XQ-58 Valkyrie, an experimental stealthy unmanned combat aerial vehicle designed and built by Kratos Defense and Security Solutions for the United States Air Force low-cost attritable strike demonstrator program. Under the USAF Research Laboratory's low-cost attritable aircraft technology project portfolio, the Valkyrie emerged as a groundbreaking creation that pushes the boundaries of aerial innovation. The XQ-58 Valkyrie stands as a remarkable addition to the USAF Research Laboratory's portfolio, which aims to design and build unmanned combat aerial vehicles more efficiently. By developing better design tools and incorporating commercial manufacturing processes, the project sought to reduce production time and costs, leading to the creation of this exceptional drone. Designed to act as a loyal wingman, the XQ-58 Valkyrie operates under the control of a parent aircraft, undertaking tasks such as scouting, defensive fire, or absorbing enemy fire. Its cutting-edge features include stealth technology with a trapezoidal fuselage adorned with a chinned edge, V-tail, and an S-shaped air intake, all contributing to its advanced capabilities. The XQ-58 Valkyrie boasts a versatility that allows it to function as part of a swarm of drones, either with or without direct pilot control. Moreover, it can execute conventional takeoffs and landings, or be launched from nondescript launch modules, such as support ships, shipping containers, and semi-trailer trucks. The possibilities seem limitless for this formidable AI drone, making it a true game-changer in the world of aerial warfare. As we embark on the journey of the XQ-58 Valkyrie's operational history, we witness its remarkable first flight at Yuma Proving Ground, Arizona, almost 2.5 years after Kratos received the contract. A total of 5 test flights were planned in 2 phases, each carefully evaluating the system's functionality, aerodynamic performance, and the efficiency of its launch and recovery systems. The year 2020 brought even more recognition to the Valkyrie as the United States Air Force awarded contracts to Kratos, Boeing, Northrop Grumman, and General Atomics to compete for the Skyborg program. This groundbreaking initiative aims to field an unmanned wingman for manned fighters at a price that allows it to be somewhat expendable, adding a new dimension to combat missions. Following rigorous competition, Kratos, Boeing, and General Atomics delivered their entries by May 2021 for flight tests scheduled in July 2021. The XQ-58 Valkyrie stood as a prominent contender, showcasing its outstanding capabilities and vying for a crucial role alongside manned fighters in the skies. Notably, on the 26th of March 2021, the XQ-58A achieved a major milestone during its 6th test flight. It unveiled its internal weapons bay for the first time, a significant advancement, and proudly released a 12-kilogram Area I Altius 600 small unmanned aircraft system. This achievement showcased the Valkyrie's exceptional versatility and its potential to carry out diverse missions with precision. Let's now take a closer look at the specifications that make the XQ-58 Valkyrie a formidable force to be reckoned with in the realm of AI Kamikaze drones. With a capacity of 600 pounds, 272 kilograms, both internally and externally, this advanced UCAV possesses a length of 30 feet and an impressive wingspan of 27 feet. The XQ-58 weighs in at about 2,500 pounds, which is 1,134 kilograms, when empty, and can reach a maximum takeoff weight of 6,000 pounds, 2,722 kilograms, allowing it to carry out a wide range of missions effectively. Its cruise speed stands at a remarkable 476 knots, while its range extends up to approximately 3,000 nautical miles, 5,600 kilometers. Furthermore, this exceptional drone can soar to impressive heights, reaching a surface ceiling of 45,000 feet, 14,000 meters. These specifications firmly establish the XQ-58 Valkyrie as a game changer in AI stealth drone technology, with unparalleled capabilities and a key contender in shaping the future of aerial warfare. As we conclude our thrilling exploration of the AI super drone Valkyrie stealth, the best-kept secret of AI Kamikaze drones, we are left in awe of the revolutionary advancements in aviation technology. The XQ-58 Valkyrie stands as a testament to human ingenuity, pushing the boundaries of unmanned aerial vehicles and transforming the way we envision combat in the skies. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more captivating stories like this, where we unravel the mysteries of cutting-edge technology and explore the fascinating world of aviation. Until next time, fly high and stay curious.